Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carla and I'm the creator behind K-Essentials Candles. I make videos all about DIY and candle making. So if that sounds like something you're into, please consider subscribing. Today, I'm going to be cleaning out my pouring pitchers as well as disinfecting them and peeling some old tape and cleaning that old wax residue using paper towel, rubbing alcohol, and my heat gun. So if you want to see how I get this done, stay tuned, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today